guys for you. So number one principle, remember there is a 3 level of dancing. Leg dancing, let's say we go cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. There is a hip dancing, the way we're doing already with the hip, cha, 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 legs and hips, 2, 3, cha, and there is a body dancing, which is the most advanced. What is the body dancing? It means rib cage go first, then leg, then hip. So do this exercise. Rib cage, leg, then hip. Rib cage, leg, then hip. If you don't have a leg action, it's going to be rib cage, then hip. Rib cage, then if you do cha-cha rhythm, it's going to be a fast pulse. 2 and 3 and cha, cha, 1 and 2 and 3 and cha, cha, 1. So make sure always your rib cage going a little bit ahead and the hip comes later with the leg. So if you do just basic walk, cha-cha-cha, rib cage, leg, hip, walk. Rib cage, leg, hip, walk, and cha, cha, cha. So rib cage leading this leg. So never just the leg moving forward. So this rib cage with this chest leading the leg, and then hip continue. So how can we apply this to your choreography? So for example, you invite her, you already, instead of just giving arm, you give her rib cage. Now here, instead of just doing the arm, you're gonna go rib and hip. So that's create this musicality. And here, instead of just, going with the hip, you go with the rib cage first, then leg, then you have a room to continue with your hip. Boom, boom, boom. The same here. And every lead for you should be change of rib cage. That's how you change her, not rather than doing arms. And then the same here. If I want to bring her back, it's taking my rib cage forward. That's what creates the movement. Then let's say continuous like step we went over. Cha, 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 cha. Never just legs. Rib cage, leg, hip. Rib cage, leg, hip. Rib cage, leg, hip. So constantly this. If we did
that crossing.
Yeah, crossing. So instead of just leading her here, right and left, you establish your frame, connection, and then you rib cage and hip. Try to your action become lead with her. Boom, boom, where the police, it's become more rib cage and hip turning to him. Yeah. So constantly using your body actions to move. Boom, boom. Cha-cha lifestyle. Cha, 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 rib cage leading, walk. Cha, 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 cha. So Felice were here traveling a little bit more because of leading of the chest. 2 and 3. Run, run. Here go rib cage, leg, hip, and here a little bit like a circular feeling. And here for you have a standing leg, hip, rib cage out. Boom. Those. What else?
And there was that crossing point here. You said shoulder down, and we went here.
Oh, yeah. So that was the same as that in frame. Rib cage here. Yeah, that. Kum, 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 kum. So if I wanna, let's say, push to Lise very strong, I'll give her my rib cage. That would create the push. If I wanna pull away from her, I give this rib cage. Boom. So I have still connection, but it's have that body action. And then also when you were spinning her here, instead of just, not dancing and spinning her with the arm, you're gonna engage yourself. Boom. And as you turn her, you still dance, 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 work, work, work. Yeah?